as we all know, daily at 7 p.m. We come up with a daily current affairs, and today is 30th March, and we are here with the important questions and answer session based on today's The Hindu and Indian Express. So, am I audible, guys? If I'm audible from both YouTube and app, just write in the comment section that yes sir, you're audible, so that we can move on. So today is 30th March and here is 7th PM with me, Salik. Okay, आवाज आ रही है guys? Am I audible? Am I audible, guys? Yes, people writing yes. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's start. I hope you are aware. I give you question. You have to read the question carefully and then answer it. Okay. So the first question is in front of you. Please read it carefully and then answer it. There was an article which came in the Hindu first page, in Indian Express first page, and that is why I'm asking questions from there. So read it carefully and then answer it. You have to answer X, Y and Z respectively. ठीक है? Yes. Good evening guys. Good evening. आपको ये बताना है X, Y, Z respectively बताना है. Yes. Okay, the first question is in front of you. कुछ लोग A बता रहे, कुछ लोग C बता रहे. See, since we are talking about respectively, मतलब जो X है उसी को X करना है, उसी को Y करना है और उसी को Z करना है. So you have to tell me properly. Okay, so majority are saying C. Yes. So basically C is the right answer. Tanya Kumari, Yashasvi, Kashish, Navya, JTL, Srishti, Anushka, Gargi, Anisha, Shreya, Manas, Bhavana, Shitosh. Yes, so the right Kashish, Ishan, movies, you all are right. See, the Sri Lanka cabinet decided to award renewable energy projects of Nanativu, Delft or Nudentivu या Anavalivitu Island. ठीक है, टू अ चाइनीज कंपनी. तो पहले इन लोगों ने चाइनीज कंपनी को दिया था. दिस इज द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी, फॉलोइंग इन एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक कॉम्पिटिटिव बिड. ठीक है, बट जेड वाज क्विक टू एक्सप्रेस कंसर्न. जेड क्या होगा, देखो आप अंदाजा लगाओ. सो ऑफ कोर्स इंडिया वाज क्विक टू एक्सप्रेस कंसर्न बिकॉज इट वाज वेरी नियर टू द तमिलनाडु. ठीक है, तो तमिलनाडु से बहुत करीब था. सो दैट इज व्हाई इंडिया एक्सप्रेस कंसर्न. सो दीज आर बेसिकली द आइलैंड्स ऑफ श्रीलंका. यस. Okay, yes. yes, movies Malik, very good. Okay, so Indian power projects replace Chinese project. We are doing this daily current affairs, I think, for the last 7, 8, maybe 10 months or more than that now. I think since last CLAT we are doing it. Before that also. Okay. So there was an article in first page, Indian power projects replace Chinese venture in Sri Lanka, and that is why C is the right answer to this question. ठीक है, so you can see this was mentioned, है ना. So go and read more about it. Here is India and here is Sri Lanka. So somewhere here is Park Bay, and where you can see the islands are being, you can say the near to it you will find Sri Lankan islands which are being talked about in this question. Yes, so I'll be explaining in detail the Jaffna and all in the paid batches. Let's move on to the next one. That is question number 2, which is in front of you. Yes, movies, थोड़ा सा hint मिल जाता है passage based question से. Yes, you will get some hint. Yes. The question number 2 is in front of you. Read it and answer it. Those who are watching on app, you should also answer it. जो लोग app पे देख रहे हैं आप भी answer करो. Those who are watching on YouTube, yes. जो लोग देख रहे हैं एक बार like button press कर दो everyone, please. Solo भी कर रहा है. Yes. Yes, majority are saying B. So, yes, Anisha, Shutosh, Anushka, Ishan, Ajay, Shafiq, Navya, Ashutosh, Muskan, Kashish, Umakant, movies, you all are right. We are talking about BEMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. So, who is the host this time? So, this time the host is Sri Lanka, right? And we are celebrating now, it's a silver jubilee of the BEMSTEC, and it will be a virtual / hybrid mode, means some people will be physically meeting also and some will be virtual. So hybrid मतलब मिला के both online and physical meeting. On March 30th, Sri Lanka is the current chair of BEMSTEC. There was an article in the Hindu, Bridging the Bay in a Quest for a Stronger BEMSTEC, and that is why I have asked the question. There is a homework. Go and find out the member nations, member states of BEMSTEC, and go and find the member states of SAARC also, and rote learn it. Isko rat lijiyega. Okay. Okay, so that is B is the right answer to this question. You can see this was an article, and I have taken it from here. The first line talks about Sri Lanka is gearing up for the 5th BEMSTEC meeting. Okay, and that is why I have discussed it. Now, okay, now the next one is the question number 3, which is in front of you, and read it carefully and then answer it. Seven countries SAARC, 8 countries SAARC. नहीं, 7 countries in SAARC. Sorry, 7 countries in BEMSTEC, 8 in SAARC. ठीक है. Yes. Yes, very good. So people are aware of BEMSTEC and all. Yes. Okay, you have to tell me which of the following is correct about BEMSTEC. क्या correct है BEMSTEC के बारे में? So कुछ लोग B, कुछ लोग D बता रहे. B 1997. आई एम आस्किंग करेक्ट. ठीक है, सही पूछ रहा हूँ. सेक्रेटरीट इज इन ढाका. यस, वेरी गुड अदीबा. बी है सर. यस, अनुष्का, सृष्टि, गार्गी, पीपल आर सेइंग बी. ए इज फॉर. वेरी गुड, फैंटास्टिक. कशिश महादेव, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉर आसियान. वेरी गुड. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉर आसियान. It was founded in Bangkok in 1967. BIMSTEC was also founded in Bangkok, but it is 1997. इसीलिए तो अभी 25 years हुआ है, which is 2022, and that is what we call it as Silver Jubilee. Yes, Myanmar member है. Yes, Muskan Bano, very good. Swahili is not correct. Yes, Navya Rastogi, very good. Its secretariat is in Dhaka. Arshita, very good, fantastic. So this is a correct statement. Myanmar is a member while Afghanistan is not a member. So this statement is also wrong. Myanmar उसका member है. परमानेंट सेक्रेटेरिएट काठमांडू नहीं, ढाका में है. काठमांडू तो सार्क का परमानेंट सेक्रेटेरिएट है ना. ढाका बांग्लादेश कैपिटल. So basically C and D is also wrong, A is also wrong. So the right answer only is B. B एक सही statement है. It was formed as BIMSTEC initially, Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, Thailand Economic Cooperation. फिर बाद में Myanmar was added on all. ठीक है, तो फिर BIMSTEC कहना लगा. हाँ, yes, so you can see it here, founded in 1997 in Bangkok. Yes, so B is the correct statement to this question. Let's move on to the next one. You can see these are the member states. Try to rote learn it. इसको रट लीजिएगा. You can see Myanmar is a member but Afghanistan is not. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैंने बताया था ना, तो इसलिए स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है. सेकेंड हेडक्वार्टर सेक्रेटेरिएट इज इन ढाका, विच इज द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ बांग्लादेश. एस्टैब्लिश्ड, देखो यहाँ लिखा है 1997. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. यस मानसा, यू वर राइट फ्रॉम ऐप. द नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. So question number 4 is talking about what is the full form of CAPF. किसी कारण से न्यूज में था, आज द हिंदू में आर्टिकल थे एक्चुअली, बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीजन इट वाज इन द न्यूज, सो दैट इज व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग इट. Okay. People are saying D. Yes, very good. Okay, why did I ask the question? कोई बता सकता है कमेंट में? Yes, अर्शिता, तानिया, दीपा, विनीत, गुप्ता, श्वेता, वैष्णवी, Anushka, Kashish, Gargi, Priyanka, Navya, you all are right. Suicide rate increasing. Yes, Anushka, just all right. Muskan, Asmita, yes. Okay, which organization comprises of CAPF? Central Armed Police Force. ठीक है. इसमें कौन कौन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आती है, कुछ कोई बता सकता है आइडिया कि which organization comes under CAPF or Central Armed Police Force? Yes. A very, I can say, serious thing was there in the news, and that is 156 CAPF personnel killed themselves, यानी अपने आप को उन्होंने suicide कर लिया in 2021, which is a very serious issue. So that is why there was an article regarding CAPF. Yes, कोई बता सकता है कि CAPF कौन कौन सी forces comprise करती है? कोई बता सकता है? Anyone? Yes, Home Affairs. Yes, हाँ. Which forces comprises of CAPF? Any guess? Any idea? Yes, CRPF is one of CISF, ITBP. Very good. Yes, lovely. Shreya, right, हाँ. So D is the right answer. देखो उसमें CAPF में जनरली आती है CISF, CRPF, BSF, ITBP, right? Indo-Tibetan Border Police, then NSG and all, है ना? देखो you can see. ठीक है, SSB, सशस्त्र सीमा बल, Central Reserve Police Force, Border Security Force and all. CISF is Central Industrial Security Force. So this was an article. In the last 9 years, 1200 CAPF personnel committed suicide, which is a very serious issue, right? Okay. So from you can see, read it. इसको पढ़ लीजिएगा आप. Have some idea about it. Okay. CAPF comes under the authority of Home Affairs. आप देख सकते हो BSF, CRPF, CISF, ITBP, SSB, NSG, Special Protection Group comes under this CAPF. Okay, yes, Ashruti from app is also right. D is the right answer. Good. The next one, okay, before moving on, there is a small announcement. Those who are preparing for CLAT, hardly 2-3 months are left. So go for this course. Call on this number or mail us here. इस पर call कीजिए या इस पर mail कीजिए. What are the benefits? You will be guided by an LU alumni, day-wise study plan, weekly performance test, faculty counseling guidance session, and live classes will be there. यानी NLU से पास आउट टीचर पढ़ाएंगे आपको, सिलेबस पूरा कंप्लीट किया जाएगा, वीकली परफॉर्मेंस टेस्ट होगा, लाइव क्लासेस होगा. सो गो फॉर दिस कोर्स, कॉल ऑन दिस नंबर और मेल अस हियर. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. यस, SPG is to protect प्राइम मिनिस्टर. हाँ सर, मैंने मॉक दिया था, 74 अटेम्प्ट किया. नहीं अरविंदा मलिक, यू हैव स्टिल लॉट ऑफ टाइम, यू कैन ट्राई. यस, you keep on revising the things. Don't you can say bog down by 1 poor marks in mock test. कभी कभी mock test में कम मार्क्स आ जाता है, टेंशन नहीं लेने का, थोड़ा बहुत ऊंचा नीचे होगा. ठीक है. Yes, Nitya, you should follow the daily current affairs where I ask questions from today's newspaper, the Hindu Indian Express, and you have to answer it. That will be a exercise for the CLAT examination, right? Okay. Where do you find Sariska Tiger Reserve which caught fire recently? आज द हिंदू में, इंडियन एक्सप्रेस, दोनों में अगर आपने फर्स्ट पेज देखा होगा, इफ यू हैव सीन द फर्स्ट पेज, इट शोड वीडियो एंड इमेजेस एंड ऑल. यस, दिस इज राजस्थान फायर, वजह से न्यूज में था. हाँ यस, अभिनंदन, गार्गी, अनुष्का. यस, देखो लेकिन राजस्थान अगर आप देखोगे तो 2 जगह राजस्थान है, अलवर राजस्थान में. यस, अरविंदा मलिक, वेरी गुड. गार्गी, तानिया कुमारी. Yes, basically Sariska Tiger Reserve you will find in Rajasthan near Alwar district. Yes, Arvinda Malik, fantastic, very good. So here is Rajasthan. This one is Rajasthan, and यहाँ पे north में, here somewhere here you will find Alwar district, which is very near to Rajasthan, है ना, बहुत करीब है. So A is the right answer to this question. Yes, yes, Alwar में. Yes, Harshita, Durga, Gargi, वाला right. I hope you must have seen these videos. तो ये हेलीकॉप्टर है, मतलब ये प्लेन है या हेलीकॉप्टर है, उससे पानी गिराया जा रहा है ना, आग बुझाने के लिए. IF deploys Mi-17 helicopters to douse wildfires in Sariska Tiger Reserve. ये भी देखो, ये फोटो काफी वायरल हुई है ना, ये पानी बरसाया जा रहा है ये, ठीक है. सो टू डाउज द फायर, बुझाने के लिए, है ना. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन, यस यू कैन सी हियर इज Sariska Tiger Reserve. The next one is question number 6. It was coming in the news again and again. So that is why I'm asking a question. Question number 6. Okay. This line is mentioned in which article of Indian Constitution? But because in the last 2-3 days the word minorities are coming in the news, so you should have an idea about it. कुछ लोग A, कुछ लोग B में confuse करेंगे. I was sure enough that people will get confused between A and B. Yes. ईशान, गार्गी, नबिता, प्रियंका, नितिन, मानस, अस्मिता, अनुष्का, तान्या, कशिश, अनीशा. जिन्होंने B आंसर किया, गार्गी, ईशान, you all are right. Ajay Mehta, Shreya, Abhinandan Garg. Yes, it's Article 30, not 29. All minorities, whether based on religion or language. I have told you yesterday, the Constitution recognized 2 types of minorities: religious and linguistic. So basically, this is Article 30, which basically I have taken the first line from Article 30. Yes, this is a very important article. If you have time, go and read it. Fazan Mustafa, the head of CLAT, he has written an article about Hindus as minority. Government of affidavit is consistent with the Constitution. So he has discussed about Article 29, 30, Supreme Court judgments and all. तो हो सकता है इसी से क्वेश्चन दे दे क्लैट में, ठीक है. So B is the right answer to this question. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. अच्छा, जो लोग देख रहे हैं एक बार लाइक बटन प्रेस कर दो यार. एवरीवन प्लीज प्रेस द लाइक बटन. एवरीवन. The next is question number 7. Yes, Article 32 deals with right to constitutional remedies, 25 with freedom of religion. Very good, Gargi. Huh? Afghanistan is not a member of ASEAN, it's a member of SARC. I think Sita Kumari, you got confused. SARC ke member hai Afghanistan. Huh? Okay, so yes, very good. Now people are smarter enough. Very good, very good, very good. Yes. Risha, Vanisha, Ishan, Movies, Aravinda, Nibita, Yushi, Ocean, Harshita, Kashish, Muskan, Taha, Yashasvi, Abhinandan, आशुतोष, साक्षी, उनकांत. ऐसा लगता है कि सब आप मेरे ही बैच से सब लोग जो है एग्जाम निकाल लोगे, सिंगल डिजिट, डबल डिजिट रैंक. समटाइम्स आई फील so yes, the right answer is D, because I try to make it tough, but still actually ये कुछ दिन 3-4 दिन पुरानी न्यूज़ है, but I missed at that time, so I thought कि let's discuss it. India extends $1 billion line of credit to Sri Lanka. मतलब एक तरह का कर्ज दिया, लोन दिया. So that is why D is the right answer to this question. Yes, ठीक है. Yes, Manas, Mohammad Faizan. Yes. So basically Sri Lanka declares economic emergency to contain food prices as forex rises. ये last year बहुत news में था. So in Sri Lanka there are food shortages and issues are there, etc. Okay, so that is why it was in the news. D is the right answer. Okay, before moving on, there is a small announcement. We are having an all India mega mock for CLAT 2022 from April 3rd to 5th April. You'll be having a real CLAT experience in this mock test. Mock created by expert team. Identify your CLAT strategy. Call on this number and mail us here if you have query about this mega mock challenge. Yes. Okay, so let's move on to the next one, the question number 8. CLAT Ignite कब तक available होगी? खुशी, you should wait. I mean, honestly, even I don't have much idea about it. It will come. Don't take tension. कुछ दिन में आ जाएगी. हाँ. So the next is question number 8. देखो मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ because tribunals इतना बार news में आ रहा है. I hope you are aware. Tribunals have been coming in the news in the last 2, 3, 4 months again and again. So that is why. अरे 2025 का क्यों दीजिएगा, 2023 का दीजिए अगर 2022 का नहीं लग रहा है तो. बट वाई 2025? हाँ. ओके, सम पीपल आर सेइंग बी. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. आई एम आस्किंग विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इनकरेक्ट अबाउट ट्रिब्यूनल्स, गलत क्या है इसमें? It was added by 42nd amendment. Very good, Harshita. So what is the incorrect statement? P46. Yes, Muskan Bano. Very good, Harshita. Very good. Anisha Das, 42nd amendment. Very good. Okay. Tribunals जो है, the concept of tribunal was originally not mentioned in the constitution. Yes, that is a correct statement. शुरू में नहीं था, जब संविधान बना था तब इसकी बात नहीं कही गई थी. It was added later on by 42nd constitutional amendment during the time of Indira Gandhi. Tribunals can be considered as quasi-judicial institution. Yes, it is a quasi-judicial institution. I have explained in the paid batches, I guess, what is quasi-judicial institution. ठीक है, एक तरह से जुडिशियरी के तरह काम करता है, वेरी सिमिलर टू इट. सो सिंस आई वाज आस्किंग इनकरेक्ट, सो बी इज द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. यस, Arabinda Malik, please do not take tension, just relax. You have two opportunities this year. In fact, in 2022 and 2023, CLAT is going to happen this year. So if you are not sure about 2022, then you can attempt 2023, which is happening this year. So don't take tension. Tension लेने से और चीजें खराब हो जाएगी. You will get, you can say, poor marks just because of tension. तो tension नहीं लेना है, relax होकर तैयारी करना है. Yes, so B is the right answer. Okay, go and read more about it. 42nd amendment and all. तो इस टाइप की आर्टिकल बहुत आ रही थी, पिछले देखो फरवरी में आई थी. ट्रिब्यूनल्स अपॉइंटमेंट बीइंग टेकन लाइटली, सुप्रीम कोर्ट सेज, देन टेक इट लाइटली, सुप्रीम कोर्ट पुल्स अप सेंटर ओवर ट्रिब्यूनल वैकेंसीज. ट्रिब्यूनल करके बहुत आर्टिकल आ रही थी आजकल. यस, दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव मेंशनड इट. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 व्हिच इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. जो लोग देख रहे हैं एक बार लाइक बटन प्रेस कर दो, प्लीज प्रेस द लाइक बटन. दिस इज अ स्लाइटली अनकन्वेंशनल क्वेश्चन, और मेरा क्वेश्चन पूछने का एक मकसद है. ठीक है, आई हैव पर्सनली रियलाइज्ड, आई हैव सीन द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन ऑफ मेनी एग्जामिनेशन, ALAT, BHU, SLAT, UPSC, अदर एग्जाम्स, एंड आई हैव रियलाइज्ड समटाइम्स व्हाट दे डू इज द ALAT, SLAT, in fact Jamia sometimes, or any other law interest examination, they ask a question from the one liner UPSC questions. ठीक है, तो this is a previous year question from UPSC. ठीक है, I know it's a one liner question, but they asked in the examination. ठीक है, this became a matter of controversy at that time, but it was later on clarified कि what is the right answer. ये कभी कभी क्या करते हैं कि ये क्वेश्चन उठा करके ALAT, SLAT में देते हैं. UPSC का क्वेश्चन मैंने देखा है, वन लाइनर खास के. ठीक है, सो इसीलिए मैंने ये क्वेश्चन दिया है. सी नॉट फंडामेंटल राइट, आयुषी सेइंग लीगल राइट. I know it's a tough one. It was asked in CLAT previous year. अच्छा, CLAT नहीं पूछा है क्या? इसका मतलब they have copied from UPSC exam. It was in CLAT. 4 में होता, C होता तो पार्ट 4 में होता. Legal right. Legal rights. Like 225. I think Movies Malik, you are very much close, but actually let me tell you, I have got very few correct answer actually. Nitin Pandey is right. Then Nebita is right, and very few people actually. Rishabh Raj is right. Maybe some people might have attempted by I can say chance. So the right answer is it's a constitutional right. It's not a fundamental, legal or natural right. So this was the answer given by UPSC. तो ये क्या करते हैं, बार बार कभी कभी उठा के ले आते हैं ALAT में या SLAT में, वन लाइनर में कभी कभी पूछ देते हैं. I'll be explaining in detail in the paid batches why it is constitutional right. You will find it in 325, 326. थोड़ा सा आपको आइडिया मिल जाएगा इसमें आर्टिकल में, right to vote and all. Okay. The next and the last question is, who among the following was the first speaker of Lok Sabha? लोकसभा के पहले स्पीकर कौन थे? एस राधाकृष्णा, जीवी मावलंकर, MC सेतलवाद, सुकुमार सेन. यस स्मिता, जिन्होंने बी आंसर किया तो वही सही. आई नो इट्स अ स्लाइटली अनकन्वेंशनल, तो वो राइट टू वोट इज अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट. Yes, very good. Majority are right. Rishabh, Manas, Aishan, Anushka, Taha, Anisha, Kashish, Adiba, Muskan, Movies, Harshita, Lovely Upadhyay. G.V. Mavlankar, the first speaker of Lok Sabha was G.V. Mavlankar. M.C. Satalwat, first Attorney General. Sukumar Singh, first Election Commissioner of India. Chief Election Commissioner, right? So B is the right answer to this question. Who is the current speaker of Lok Sabha? Abhi speaker कौन है लोक सभा ये कोई बता सकता है? Yes. If you are preparing for CLAT 2023 जो कि 2022 में ही होगा, December 2022, hardly 7-8 months is left. Go for this course. Call on this number or mail us here. इस पर call कीजिए, इस पर mail कीजिए. So this is all about today's class. Who is the current speaker of Lok Sabha? Anyone? कोई जवाब नहीं दे रहा यार. Yes, Om Birla, very good. Ishan Singh, right? Rishabh, Tejas, Vineet, Priyanka, Smita, Nitin, Manas, Mohammed, Faizan, you all are right. So please press the like button. Now I'll be meeting you tomorrow at 7 p.m. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.